ED is going to question Rahul Gandhi.
Yeah, it is a revenge. It's revenge, BJP revenge. They from past few years they tried to put Rahul Gandhi in jail on the name of some Modi Nampar, some allegations of our Rahul Gandhi's rise. That time they imposed one case. It is false. That time they are trying to expel. They are already expelled from parliament also. They are pulled out his quarters also, government quarters also. So people well known, and court also objected that is not good. And again they are bring Herald case. Herald paper is for the freedom fight movement opinions spreaded within country. That is a good freedom fighters paper, Vice paper. But now there is no transaction, there is no money transaction, there is no anything, there is no money laundering, there is no transaction with anyone. It is the freedom fighters paper. Some days back, it was faced some crisis to run that paper. That time our Congress leaders hand over and run with fair, no money laundering, no money transaction, no anything. Only Rahul Gandhi is raising his voiceless, on behalf of voiceless people. He is questioning, you are not following Gandhi ideology, you are not following constitution. He is questioning the Rahul Gandhi to central government.